चलो बेटा, see this problem बेटा, specific heat problems. Given that, very good problem. Given that volume is directly proportional to T cube for oxygen gas, O2 gas. Okay, find molar specific heat. Find molar specific heat. C is equals to how much? Okay.
Yes.
We are given some process. Volume is directly proportional to T cube beta. I told you whatever may be the process,
Yes, sir.
whatever may be process, whatever may be the process. Molar specific heat is calculated with the formula C is equals to Cv plus P by N into dV by dt. Okay, this is our basic and standard formula.
Yes.
Okay. Now, what is given for me for us? V is directly proportional to, given is V is directly proportional to T cube. So if I remove the proportionality constant, we'll get V is equals to K into T cube. Antena?
Yes.
Now, oxygen is a diatomic or monatomic gas?
Sir, it's a diatomic gas.
It is a diatomic gas. It is a diatomic gas. So what is the value of Cv for the diatomic gas? 5 by 2. Isn't it? 5 by 2 particle relation. So now I'll write that value here. C is equals to, this is 5 by 2 into your R plus this is P by your N into this one is nothing but how much for me? D. Volume is directly given here. So it is K into T cube by your dt. Can I write like this?
Yes, sir.
This is equals to 5 by 2 into R plus this P by N is constant. K is also constant. So I'm bringing it out. So this is a differentiation of your T cube by your dt.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Now differentiation of T cube is how much better? Can you tell me? So this one is 5
Sir,
by 2 into R, P into K into N into differentiation of your T cube.
N into, sir, so it will be 3 into
Yeah. 3 into T power 3 minus 1.
4.
So this will become for me 3D square. Then,
Yes, sir.
oh my goodness, I got something else here right now. Okay, so 5 by 2 plus of your pk by your n into your 3t is your condition. Now if I simplify this one, so this is equals to 5 by 2 into r plus this one is nothing but p by your n into 3 into t square into k. How do you write the value of k beta? From this equation you see k value is equal to how much from this one? K is equals to p by t cube. Can I write like that? So that will become right now here it is nothing but of your v by your t cube. This t square and this t cube will get cancelled, isn't it? So ultimately how much I'm getting right now this one? So this is 5r by 2 plus this one is nothing but of your 3pv divided by n into your t. Can I write like that?
Yes, sir.
Now see, pv by n into t can be written as, that is 5r by 2 plus 3 pv by n into t can be written as,
Sir, we can actually write PV as NRT. No, sir?
yeah, nRT. It means this is a PV by N into T can be written as R.
Yes, sir.
So this is nothing but a few 3R.
Okay, like that.
So in this one, R is out. 5 by 2 plus 3.
Okay, yes, sir. That
So
means I thought we'll
plus
take
is-
NRT and then cancel anyway, same thing.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
So this PV by NT I'm taking it as totally R. So it is R as a common. So 2 is an LCM. So it is to the 6 plus 5. That will be equal to 11. So it is 11R by 2. Got it?
Sir, can you show the formula, sir, once again?
Yeah, this is a standard formula beta. Whatever may be the process, C is equals to CV plus P by N. What is the given question? You see, V is directly proportional. So in specific heat, molar specific heat, whatever may be the process he may give you always use the formula C is equals to Cv plus P by N into dV by dt. Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Shall I do one more problem?
Yes, sir.
కొంచెం maths ఉంటుంది, but still we can do it out, that not an issue. So let me see where I can do this one. Yeah. See this question, beta. Given PV to the power of 5 by 3 is equals to constant, beta. Okay, for helium gas. For helium gas, find molar specific heat. Find molar specific heat. The C value. I need to calculate the value of your C. C, can you try it? So what is the given condition, beta? PV to the power of 5 by 3 is equals to your constant. Is equals to your constant. What is our formula, beta? C of any process is equals to Cv plus P by N into dV by dt. Isn't it? Now, as we know the relation, as we are talking about for the gases, PV is equals to N into RT. So P value will be equal to how much for me? N into RT by V. Can I write like that?
Yes, sir.
So why I'm writing? Because we need to write everything in terms of your volume, because differentiation is in terms of volume, beta. So I need to get everything in terms of your volume so that I can differentiate it with respect to temperature.
Yes, sir. Sir, then we have to take V is equals to nRT by P next.
We can even write like that, but the equation is given as PV to the power of 5 by 3. Na? So P is something which
Okay,
I
yes, sir.
don't need in the differentiation. So that is the reason in the place of P, what I am writing, N into R into T divided by V into V to the power of 5 by 3 is equals to constant. Okay, now, so this will become for me N R into T. This is V to the power of 5 by 3 divided by V is equals to K. Now see the calculation very carefully. So this one is nothing but N R into T. This is V to the power of 5 by 3 into V to the power of minus 1.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So how do you write this one right now? So it is equals to a constant K. So it is N into R into T, V to the power of 5 by 3 minus 1.
5 by 3 minus 1 will be minus. Sir, it will be minus 2 by 3.
5 by 3 minus 1. Minus means it will go up, so this will become for me plus. So it is nothing but 2 by 3.
I thought minus 2.
Ante kada?
Yes, sir.
So that is equals to some constant, that is nothing but a K. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, in this one, N and R is a constant, so I can write this one as a TV to the power of 2 by 3 is equals to K by N into R. K is a constant, N is a constant, R is a constant. So this also I am representing it by a constant, that is nothing but a K. Some new constant.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now because everything is constant, I can represent even by Z, there is no problem. So it is how much I'm getting right now? PV to the power of 3 is equals to, I got as of your constant. Now see here, V to the power of 2 by 3 is equals to, can I write this one as of your T?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Now, what I'm doing is, I'm transferring here power. See how I'm doing it, this one. I am transferring the power of V to your T. Can I transfer the powers?
Yes, sir.
You remember that,
But how, sir?
any power or root, it will be a constant beta. Okay, let's see. Here V is equals to K by, V is equals to how much for me here? K by, when I transfer the powers, this will become for me T to the power of 3 by 2.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Isn't it?
Power will.
Okay, reverse, it will get reverse.
Yes, sir. Reverse.
Okay, so when I'm transferring the power from upper to lower part, V is equals to K into T to the power of your 3 by 2. That means this one is it, V T to the power of 3 by 2 is equals to constant. So volume, how much I will be writing right now from this itself, I can write here, volume V is equals to K into T to the power of minus 3 by 2. Can I write like that?
Sir, but again, how did you get Vt to the power 3 by 2, sir.
I've taken this one here, Gada.
Sir, again you're taking it up, no, sir. Again it will flip, no.
No, only
Reverse.
total quantity I'm taking. I'm not taking only the power. Total T I'm taking.
Okay. Okay, sir. Yes.
Isn't it? Like PV is equals to constant.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So now V is equal to how much I'm getting? This T, if I'm taking here up, that will become negative.
Yes, sir. Got it.
V is equals to kT to the power of minus of your 3 by 2 part of relation. Is that clear? Now use the formula what we have got right now. C is equals to CV plus, this one is P by your N into D by dt. In the place of volume, what I will be writing right now here? KT to the power of minus 3 by 2. Okay. For monatomic gas, what is the CV beta?
CV will be
3 by 2.
yes, sir.
Because CV is how much? What is the formula? CV is equals to F by 2 into R, na?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So for monatomic gas, because what type of a gas we are taking right now? Helium. Helium is a monatomic gas, so CV is equals to 3 by 2 into your R plus this one is nothing but P by your N. In this one, K is your constant. Now in this one, I'm differentiating right now. This is d t to the power of minus 3 by 2 divided by dt. Everything I got in terms of temperature, so I can differentiate this one. So this is 3 by 2 into R plus this one is P by N into your K into this one is nothing but minus 3 by 2 is nothing but out. Differentiation of your minus 3 by 2 minus 1. Then,
Yes, sir.
so that is a 3 by 2 into R plus this one is P by N into K into minus of 3 by 2 into T to the power of minus 3 by 2 minus 1 is how much for me? Minus 5 by
Minus 5 by 2. Yes, sir.
of your 5 by 2. Now see this can be simplified still this one as 3 by 2 into R plus minus this will become for me how much better now? Minus of your P by your N. P by your N into some constant K value I'll write later. This is a 3 by 2 into T to the power of minus 5 by 2 into K. What is the value of K beta? See, K value how much you got see?
Sir, we can write it as Vt by Vt to the power 3 by 2.
So it is Vt to the power of 3 by 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay now?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
So, sir, you have to leave the final answer like this only.
No, we can still simplify it. No? So this is becoming for me 3 by 2 into your R. Okay. So now P by N can be written as beta. PV is equals to nRT. Na?
Yes, sir.
So P by N is equals to how much for me? RT by V and
P
RAS
by
by
V. Yes, sir.
So P by N I am writing it as of your minus of RT divided by V into this one is a 3 by 2 into this one is nothing but of your how much for me?
PV by N.
3 to the power of 3 by 2 into V divided by T to the power of 5 by 2 minus the కింద తీసుకొచ్చేసాం.
Okay, sir. Yes.
Okay, anything is getting cancelled in this one, you see. This volume will get cancelled.
Yes, sir.
Avuna?
Yes, sir.
Anything else? P by
Sir,
N into your is better.
this T to the power 3 by 2 and T to the power 5 by 2 also we can cancel it somewhere.
3 to the power of yeah. So total will get cancelled because this T to the power of 3 by 2 will become 5 by 2.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So this 3 by 2, this T and this T to the power of 5 by 2 can get cancelled. అర్థమైందా? అంతే కదా అన్న?
How, sir?
3 by 2
sir,
plus 1. How much it is? 5 by 2, no?
Got it, sir.
Got it, na? This 2 beta.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Down 3 by 2, T to the power of 5 by 2 gets cancelled. Volume is getting cancelled. That means this one is how much for me? 3 by 2 into R minus 3 by 2 into R. So what is your answer now? 0.
Yes, sir.
ఇప్పుడు 0 రావడానికి ఎంత కష్టపడాల్సి వచ్చింది? Good question, but really very good question. So only thing is little bit mathematics has been involved. As I've been doing for detailing, that is the reason there are some steps we can omit it right now in the differentiation itself. Like when you're doing the differentiation, that values you can write directly and try to simplify it. Okay, na? Got
Yes,
it?
sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Sure.
sir.
Take one more question right now. Yeah. See this one. equal number of moles of a monoatomic and diatomic gas. Monoatomic and diatomic gas are mixed. Stop. Calculate Cp, gamma Cv and gamma for mixture. You know the gamma for the mixture formula, beta? Gamma for mixture is equal to how much, beta? N1 Cv1 plus N2 Cv2 divided by your N1 plus of your N2. So how many equal number of moles? That means N1 is equals to N2 is equals to N. One is your monatomic, another one is of your diatomic. So N1 is nothing but how much? N. For monatomic it is how much? 3R by 2 Cv value plus N. For diatomic it is how much for me? 5R divided by 2 divided by N plus N, that is nothing but 2N. Okay?
Yes, sir.
See how much I'm getting this one?
Get 3Rn by 2 plus 5Rn by 2, sir.
Yeah. R also common, 2 also common, na?
Yes, sir.
What I can take common in this one? 3
R by 2, sir.
by 2.
You can take R by 2 common.
Sorry, NR by 2. NR by 2
Okay.
common. It is nothing but 3 plus 5
Yes, sir.
divided by 2 into N. Antena?
This 2 we can get it down, sir.
N, yeah. How much I'm getting, see?
We'll get 8Rn by 4n, sir. Nn we can cancel. Then we'll get 8R by 4.
4 2s are.
4, yes, sir. 2R.
So we get the 2R. So gamma of mixture is how much for me? 2R. So we got one value. What is that? Gamma of mixture. This value is what? Then what is asking? Sorry, we got right now what here? NCV, gada.
CV we have got, sir.
This one is CV. Yeah. This one is nothing but of your CV of the mixture. CV part. Then we calculate the CP, beta.
The CP we can
CV
N1
R.
R. Yes, sir.
So CV value how much I got?
3R.
R plus of your R. So that will be equal to how much for me? 3R.
Yes, sir.
Then I can get the value of gamma. Gamma is equals to CP by your CV.
Yes, sir.
CP value is 3R divided by this one is 2R. So this one gets cancelled. So gamma value is 1.5. Got it?
Got it, sir.
So that is the way how do we get the questions related to your specific heats, beta. And I did some of the other questions also, no, on the specific heats to get general condition.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let us try to do this question, see how far we are able to get the answer or not. See this question. So what is the internal energy formula, beta?
Sir, like in what, sir?
In delta U, general formula. Delta U is equals to N into CV into DT, I can write.
Yes.
So CV can I write in terms of gamma, beta. So it is N into R by gamma minus 1 into DT. Can I write like this?
Yes, sir.
This can also be written as NR into DT is written as PV. PV to the power of gamma minus 1 and Racha.
Yes, sir.
This is an internal energy. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Question is, find the internal energy.
Internal energy will give like this original formula or
This is the thing you need to remember better. N into CV is DT is a general formula. Then whatever
Yes,
we
sir,
are asking, that is the things we need to remember.
Yes, sir. No, sir. I'm asking mostly what kind of questions, degree of freedom questions.
Yeah, in terms of degrees of freedom or in terms of gamma, he may be giving you the questions basically. Because in specific heats, we'll write in terms of gamma, na?
Yes, sir.
So in terms of
internal energy, sir.
Yeah.
Internal energy formula like that F by 2 into
Yeah, F by 2 also we can remember. This is nothing but also equal to how much for me? F by 2 N into your R dt. in terms of number of degrees of freedom.
Yes,
Antena?
sir. Yes.
Okay. Now question is for me. Find the internal energy of air in a room of volume in a room of a volume 50 meter cube at atmospheric pressure. At atmospheric pressure. And remember that 1 atmosphere is always equals to how much? 10 to the power of 5 Newton per meter square. This is a constant value. You need to remember it. Sometimes he may be not giving that values. 1 atmosphere is how much for me? 10 to the power of 5 Newton per meter square. Okay.
Yes.
Now what is asking? Find internal energy for air. Air is what? Air is mixture of so many gases. That is the reason we are taking that one as of your what? Diatomic gas. Remember every time. Smartly he has given without saying whether it is diatomic or triatomic or polyatomic. He directly using a word air. That means whenever you are
Yes,
using for air, air means always what? Diatomic gas.
sir.
Diatomic gas gamma value is always equals to how much for me? 1.4. Now internal energy in terms of what he has given for me? Volume. Volume is given for me. Pressure is given. Pressure is how much? 10 to the power of 5. Volume is given how much for me? 50 meter cube. I was asking the internal energy. Internal energy in U and PV is equal to how much for me? PV by gamma minus 1.
Yes, sir.
So P value is how much? 10 to the power of 5 into this one is 50. Everything is in SI system. Divided by gamma is 1.4 minus 1. So this will become for me 50 into 10 to the power of 5 divided by 0.4.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
now?
Yes, sir.
So this will become for me how much? 50 into this one is 10 to the power of 6 divided by 4. Can I write like that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Isn't it?
Because we are taking 10 to the power
That
minus
is equals to 5 by 4
0.4 into
to
10
the
to the
power
power.
of 7.
Yes, sir.
So this is your answer. 5 by 4 still I can write. 4 ones are 1 point,
1 point something.
yeah, 1.25 into 10 to the power of 7 joules. Even you can like this. What
Yes,
the
sir.
condition?
Yes, sir. Sir, gamma for triatomic gas is 1.33, no, sir?
No, 1.4 beta.
Triatomic, sir, not diatomic.
1.33, yeah.
And for monoatomic, sir?
For
1
monatomic gases, gamma value right relation. Gamma value is equal to how much for me? Cp by Cv. Na? Cp
Yes,
value is how much? 5R by 2. Cv value is how much? 3R by 2. This is will be equal to how much for me? 5R by 2 into your how much for me? 2 by your 3 into R. This one, and this one gets cancelled. So it is 5 by 3.
5 by 3, how much, sir? Mostly
Isn't it? Gamma value.
1.7, sir.
How much?
1.7, sir. 5 by
Ah,
3.
got it?
Yes, sir.
Sure. We can calculate the value of the gamma values immediately because we know the values of Cp, Cv given conditions, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
RMS velocity is గుర్తున్నాయా? What is an RMS velocity? VRMS velocity, most probable velocity. Okay, I'll kinetic theory of gases లో వస్తుంది కదా, most probable velocity, RMS velocity చెప్పలేదా?
చెప్పారు, సార్.
గుర్తుందా లేదా?
ఇంట్లో
అంతేనా? ఓకే, చెప్పు. See here, beta. I'm doing some really very good questions. Very much important how to calculate the specific heats, beta. See this one. 1 mole of an ideal gas. 1 mole of an ideal gas. ఇది ఇంకా మనకు కాలేదు కదా సిలబస్. డిఫరెంట్ ప్రాసెసెస్ కాలేదు కదా ఇంకా మనకు.
లేదు, సార్.
ఐసోబారిక్, ఐసోకోరిక్, ఐసోథర్మల్ ఇవన్నీ చెప్పారా క్లాస్లో?
కెమిస్ట్రీలో చెప్పారు, సార్. యాక్చువల్లీ
ఓకే, కెమిస్ట్రీలో చెప్పారు. ఫిజిక్స్లో అయితే కాలేదు కదా ఇంకా.
ఫిజిక్స్లో
ఓకే, ఫైన్. నేను ఇచ్చిన అసైన్మెంట్లో ఏమైనా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి చూడు. ఎనీ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ విచ్ ఆర్ నాట్ గెటింగ్? See this question, beta.
62nd question can you do, sir?
No, whatever the assignment which I have been sent it, beta, you try to do them. And whatever questions you are not getting, you please let me know. I'll try to help you out with that one. Okay? Na?
Okay.
Today only you try to complete it out. Don't keep it further tomorrow. Now see, this question is very
Sure.
important, beta. If for hydrogen, Cp minus Cv is equals to m, and for nitrogen, Cp minus Cv is equals to n, where Cp and Cv refers to specific heats per unit mass.
Sir, this kind of question we have, sir, in the
Material, na?
no, sir, the PDF you sent, no, sir.
Okay, fine.
In that oxygen we have that.
Okay, fine. See this one, whether we can do it or not. At constant pressure and constant volume, the relation between M and N is the relation between small m and n is equals to how much? Good question, beta. We will be getting such type of models. So for hydrogen, Cp minus Cv is given. Actually, what is Cp minus Cv, beta? Cp minus Cv is equals to N into R into T. Can I write like that? Because everything is a constant. Number of moles is a constant. Temperature is also constant right now in terms of temperature.
Yes,
Actual
sir.
formula is what? Cp minus Cv is equals to R.
Yes, sir.
So I can even write, because number of moles is a constant right now here, isn't it? And temperature of that one is also constant. So there is no what do you call that one, much of the given condition for that one. Okay. How do you write the number of moles actually? Can you tell me? Number of moles is written as mass
Sir,
by
it is written molar mass.
yeah. So
Molecular mass.
so this is our given condition. Now write that one in terms of this one. Cp minus Cv divided by for this is one is for what for me? First one is for your hydrogen.
Hydrogen,
For
yes.
your hydrogen divided by your Cp minus of your Cv for your nitrogen.
Yes.
Okay, that must be equal to your. Number of moles is given how much for me? Both of them same. So it is 1 into R into T divided by molar mass is nothing but 2 for hydrogen.
Yes.
Divided by this one is again for me how much for me? 1 into R into T. Okay, that value is equals to how much for me? Molar mass of this one is how much for me? 28. Nitrogen. N2 gada.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Now Cp minus Cv is given how much for me? Cp minus Cv for hydrogen is represented by m. So this is your m and this one is your n. That is equals to. Anything is getting cancelled in this one, beta? RT.
2
RT. And then
and 28.
how much?
2 and 28, sir. Ones are 14.
So how much I'm getting this one?
We're getting 1 by 14, sir.
1 by 14. Then
Yes.
so what is the relation right now? So m is equals to, I can write Rn is equals to n is equals to 14 times of your m. That is the relation between small m and as well as of your m.
Yes.
Yes. Adhamainda?
Yes, sir. Ultimately.
One more question. For a gas, the difference between the two specific heats is 4150 joule per kg Kelvin. Okay. The specific heats at constant volume of gas, if the ratio of specific heat is 1.4 is dash. See the question first. Try to tell me what you are understanding from the given question. Tell me what is the given data for me. Read the question. You tell me.
Cp by Cv for a gas is 4150 joules per
Cp minus Cv is equals to 4150. Okay.
kg per Kelvin. Joule per kg per Kelvin.
Then
The specific heat at constant volume of gas.
specific heat or the constant volume of the gas. That means he's asking CV.
Yes, sir.
Then what is given? Ratio of specific heats. That means gamma. Gamma is Cp by Cv. Na? That value is given how much for me? 1.4.
Yes.
Isn't it? Now we know the relation Cp minus Cv is equals to how much for me here? Cp minus Cv is equals to 4150. Divide by Cv on both the sides. So I am dividing it by Cv divided by your Cv because Cp by Cv is given na for me.
Yes, sir.
So I can write this one as Cp by Cv minus 1 is equals to 4150 divided by Cv.
Yes, sir.
So Cp by Cv value is given how much for me? Gamma. This is gamma minus 1 is equals to 4150 divided by Cv. And then gamma value is
Yes.
given how much for me? 1.4 minus 1 that is equals to 4150 divided by Cv. So this is 0.4 is equals to 4150 divided by Cv.
See.
So Cv is equals to how much for me? 4150 divided by your Cv. Sorry, 0.4.
Point.
Isn't it? So that will give me the answer. That is nothing but how much for me? 4150 divided by 4 into your 10. Antena?
Yes, sir.
1's 0. 4 3's 12. 7's anything would approximate
Yes, sir.
4150 into 10 divided by 4. 1 loss only 1. దాని తర్వాత 0 4 3's 12 12 and 3 and 4 7's 7 and this one will be 5. Okay, 10375 joules per hour approximately. See the calculation beta, I've done it roughly. See whether you are getting that much or not.
Yes, sir. Correct only, sir. 10,003, sir.
Yeah, so got an idea, na? This is getting recorded, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, sure. Next question. This is also a very good question, beta. See, just understand the terminology and see whether we are able to do or not. So the question is the molar specific heat. The molar specific heat for oxygen at constant pressure that means Cp is equals to 7.03 calorie the next one is nothing but of your mole inverse degree centigrade and then Cp value
Yes.
and R is equals to 8.31 joule per mole degree centigrade. This one is mole degree centigrade only, na? Cp value only because Cp is equals to how much for me? So we'll write the relation Q. Q is equals to N into Cp into dt, na? So Cp is equals to Q by N into dt. So unit will become for me calorie per. This one is mole and degree centigrade. So it should be calorie mole inverse degree centigrade inverse. Antena?
Yes.
Next one is R value is given as 8.31 joule mole degree centigrade. The amount of heat taken by 5 moles of oxygen when heated at constant volume from 10 degrees centigrade to 20 degrees centigrade will be approximately. Can you tell me?
Sir, I didn't understand.
See the question first. The molar specific heat of oxygen at constant pressure. That means what?
The
Cp.
CP, sir.
Okay, Cp
Yes.
value is given as 7.03. The next one is R value is given for me 8.31. The amount of heat taken by 5. Amount of heat means delta Q. Delta Q is given how much for me right now? The amount of heat taken by 5 moles. We need to calculate that one. Okay. The amount of heat taken by 5 moles. That means N is equals to 5 of an oxygen when heated at constant volume. That means CV.
CV.
Its QV is heated at your constant volume. So you know how to write the value of dq, beta? dq is equal to N into CV into dt, na?
Okay, yes sir. Delta
Q into at constant volume.
Yes.
Okay, na? So that is equals to N into, as we know the relation, Cp minus Cv is equals to R. So Cv value will become for me how much better? Cp minus R and Raichu.
Yes sir.
So in the place of Cv, I am writing Cp minus of R into temperature delta T. So number of moles is how much?
Both the values.
Yeah, 7.03 minus R value is 4.2. Now, but here very important.
R value is
8.31. That is given in joules.
You have to convert it.
Yeah, we need to convert it right now for that one. So it is nothing but how much for me? R value is nothing but R value and 7.03 into that is converting
8.31
into your 8.31.
Yes.
Calories.
And then we can 20 minus 10.
Temperature is 20 minus of your 10.
Yes.
Isn't it? Because 1 calorie is equals to how much for me? 1 joule is equals to 1 joule is equals to how much for me? 4.2 calories, na?
Yes.
Isn't it? So that is the reason R value is given in terms of what for me? 8.31 joule. 1 joule is nothing but 4.2 calories.
Yes.
Then, am I doing a mistake right now there? Q value is given as, sorry, this value is also given in calories only, na? 7.03 is also given in calorie, and 1 calorie is equals to how much for me? Okay, I'm doing calculation mistake here. See here right now.
Sir, but we're taking it in calories only.
Yeah, so this one is 7.03 into calories, kada. I'll try to take once 4.22 into.
Okay, sir, but it's already given in calories, no, sir.
Yeah, it is given in calories now. So I'm converting that one in joules. So 1 calorie is equals to how much for me?
Okay, yes, sir. Means you're converting the Cp into joules, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Isn't it? So this one is into temperature difference. 20 minus 10 is nothing but 10. So how much I'm getting this one? Say this one is 5 into 7.03 into 4.2. See how much I'm getting? I don't know. Into the calculation. If you have a calculator with you. So it is how much beta? 29 point something I'm getting. This one is 29 point. This one is 49. I'll take it as of your 5 something. Minus this one is 8.31 into your 10. So this will become for me how much for me? 5 into this value is 29 minus this one is 8.3. At 0.31 is 21 approximately. This is 21.18. That is nothing but of your 1 I'll take otherwise. So it is 21 into 10. And then so that will be equal to this. I'm getting in terms of what? Joules, everything. Hello, beta. Okay. Anyhow, this is the last problem only. I'll just keep the calculation. Sorry, here, beta. This one is 1 calorie. 1 calorie is equals to 4.2 joules. So if I'm doing the simplification right now for this one, we are getting this one as of your 7.03 into, because calorie 4.2. So I'm dividing it and simplifying it, we are getting this one approximately 5 into, this one is 21.21 into 10 to the power of 5 joules. Okay, so that one is nothing but of your joules. So if I do the calculation of this one, I'm getting roughly some around. So this one is nothing but of your 21.21 into 50. So that is approximately some around 1060.5 joules. Okay, so if I need to do that one in the calories, so that will be divided by 4.2. So that comes some around approximately 252. This is 252.5 calories. Just see the calculation if I'm doing anywhere mistake. Otherwise, the process is nothing but of the same. And sorry, here it is 1 calorie is equals to your 4.2 joules. Okay. So take care, beta. We'll try to meet it in the tomorrow session of your class. Bye.